Let's open your book, page 423, and let's start. As I said before, today's lesson is lesson 7.7, add and subtract mixed number. So we're gonna add and subtract mixed number today. Okay, how can we add and subtract mixed number? We all know that mixed number consists of two parts, a whole number and a fraction. So firstly, add the mixed number by adding the whole number, then add the fraction. So add, first step, you have to add the whole number and then add the fraction. Okay, let's see. How can we add this? 1 and 4 over 6 plus 2 and 3 over 6. Okay, let's see. Let's add the fraction first. As we all know, 4 plus 3 equals 7, and we're going to put the same denominator, as we all know. And after that, we're going to add then the whole number. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. After that, let's write them together. So our answer will be 3 and 7 over 6. But in this case, you have to look to the upper part of the fraction, which is the numerator. The numerator here is 7, and it's greater than the denominator. So if you have a number greater than the denominator, Yusuf, pay attention here. Stop playing. Guys, it's very important lesson, so you have to pay attention to that. Okay, so we have 7 up here. It's greater than 6. So in this case, you have to subtract and add. How can we add and subtract in the same time? You're gonna subtract the 6 from the 7 here and add 1 to 3. Okay, so we're gonna add 1 to 3, it becomes 4. And subtract 7 from 6 from 7, it will be 1. And we're going to put the same denominator. So I will repeat the steps again. Firstly, if you want to add mixed number, so you have to add the whole number together and then add the fractions. If you have the upper part of the fraction greater than the lower part, so you have to add 1 to the whole number and then subtract the denominator from the numerator to get the final answer. Okay, write this and I will explain again in the next page. Yes, Adam.
Yes, when I was asking for you something, I said, uh, since we started at 3, what time do we finish? Since
What?
what time do we finish? Because since we start at 3 again.
Yeah. So we're gonna finish at 7, I think 7:05. I think
Okay,
that
thank you.
7:05. Okay, everyone, let's move to the next page. Okay, I will explain number 4 and then I will ask you to number 5 and 6. Okay, first of all, as I said before, you have to start with the whole number. So the whole number here is 3 and the whole number is 2. So you have to subtract 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. And then subtract 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. And at the end, you have to put the same denominator. So it will be 1 and 2 over 12. And after that, you have to simplify it. If you want to make it simpler, so let's simplify it. So 2 and over 12. How can we simplify it? We're going to divide up and down by 2 because 12 in table 2. So you have 1 over 6. So the answer will be, we're going to put the same whole number and we're going to put 1 over 6 beside it. So the answer, the final answer will be 1 and 1 over 6. Okay, guys, turn on the cam, everyone, and let's talk. Okay, so I will ask someone to help randomly. Okay? Okay, Ali Sahati. Ali Sahati, are you there? Ali Sahati is not responding.
Hello, teacher.
Where have you been, man?
What?
Where have you been? I called you from 5 minutes ago.
Okay, teacher, sorry, but I go and come back. I have to take
Okay.
your book.
So number 5, can you help?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do to subtract it?
Teacher, can I say something, please?
What?
Teacher, I didn't understand this lesson.
Because you didn't hear, so you can't listen to the lesson. I explained
Teacher,
like
no, I
that
swear
before. Did you listen to number 4 explanation? I solved number 4. Did you listen
Yes,
to it?
yes, I swear.
Okay. Listen again carefully, please. Okay. Ahmed Shamasi.
Okay,
Yes, Ahmed. Number 5.
okay. 4 over 2 over 3. I mean 4 and 2 over 3 and I mean minus 3 and 1 over 3.
Excellent. Okay. So what the first step we're gonna do here?
First step, we're gonna minus the 2 and the 1.
Okay, it's okay. 2 and the 1. Yes.
Equals 1.
So we're
So
gonna
the
put
first
the 1 here.
part is 1, and we're gonna keep the denominator the same.
Excellent.
And 4 minus 3 is 1.
Excellent. That's it. It's very simple. It's very easy, right?
Yeah, I hope it's the homework.
Yeah. So we have another idea, okay? So stay focused, okay? Thank you. Okay, the next one. I see Abdulaziz can help.
Okay.
Yes,
So
Abdulaziz.
minus 6
Raise your voice,
minus
please,
3.
because I can't hear you well.
Okay. 6 minus 3 equals 3.
Yes.
Then 9 minus 7, 2.
Yes.
And and the, the 10 we don't minus it.
Okay, excellent. So now can we put it in the simplest form, Abdulaziz? 2 over 10. Can we simplify it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 10 in table 2 or what?
Yeah.
So we're gonna divide by what here? If the big number in multiplication table is a small number, so we're gonna divide by the small number, which is what?
2.
2. So we're gonna divide by 2 up and down. Yes.
2 multiply 2 equals 1. And 10 divided by 2.
So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So we're gonna put it here. And we're gonna put the 3, the whole number as the same, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my dear. Great job. Okay, I will solve number 7 by myself, and I will ask someone to help with number 8. So pay attention to this. Number 7. Firstly, as we all know, we're gonna start with the whole number. So it will be 7 plus 4 equals what? 7 plus 4 equals 11. And then let's add 4 plus 3. So firstly, the whole number. Then the upper part. 4 plus 3 equals what? Equals 7. And then we're going to put the same denominator, which is 6. So we're going to put 6 here. Now, we're going to ask, 7 is greater than 6. We can't put the upper parts greater than the lower part. So in this case, we're going to add and subtract. So we're going to add 1 to 11 and subtract 6 from 7. Add 1 to 11 and subtract 6 from 7. So the answer will be 11 becomes 12 and 7 minus 6 equals 1. And we're going to put the 6 as the same. Yes, Suleiman.
Mister, you can go up.
Okay. So firstly, you have to subtract or add the whole number, and then subtract or add the fraction. And after that, look to the answer and ask yourself, can we simplify it or not? Okay. Okay, I will ask someone else here. Mahdi.
I want to tell you something. We
Yes, ma'am.
always add 1.
No, not always. If we have the upper part is greater than the lower part. So if you look to this one, the upper part is 7. It's greater than 6. So if we have the upper part is greater than the lower part, so you have to add 1 and subtract the denominator, as you see here. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you, Mahdi. Okay, everyone, number 8. Who can help here? Okay, Ryan.
So first we do 8 plus 3 equals 12.
Excellent. 8 plus 3 equals what?
11, I mean 11.
11. Excellent. So after that,
Now we're going to do a line. And
yes.
then 1 plus 2 equals 3.
3. Great. Yes.
And 3 over 3.
And we have the same denominator, so we're gonna put 3 as the same. So
Yeah.
now, Ryan, let's ask you a question. What the relationship between the upper part and the lower part?
Are they the same thing?
Yeah, the same. And they are equal, right? They are equal.
Yeah, so So one
So
of them will give 1 plus to the 12.
excellent, because 3 over 3 equals 1, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna give 1 to 11. So it becomes 12.
Yeah.
And 3 over 3 becomes nothing. So we can cancel it, right?
Yeah.
It's very easy, right, Ryan?
It's very easy, super easy.
Thank you so much for that, man.
You're welcome, Mr. Mo'men.
Okay, number 9. Who can help with number 9? Okay, let's see Abdul Mohsen.
Okay, so first we're gonna add 5 and 3 equals 8.
5 plus 3 equals 8. Great.
And then 4 plus 5 equals 9.
And 4, it's very easy. 4 plus 5 equals 9.
And the denominator we're gonna put the same.
So we're going to put the same denominator. Excellent. Now, Abdul Mohsen, we have 8 and 9 over 8. Can we write it at the final answer?
Nope.
So?
Nope. So we're gonna give 1 to the 8 because
Excellent, because we have 9 is greater than 8.
8.
We can't put it like that, right?
Nope.
So you have to change that. The 9 gives the 8 1. So we're going to add and subtract what here?
Subtract the 9.
Subtract what? The denominator.
9?
We're going to subtract the denominator. Every time you have to subtract the denominator. Okay?
Yeah.
So it will be
So
equal. So it will be
1
9 here. And 9 minus 8 equals 1 over 8.
1.
You are genius, Abdul Mohsen. I'm really proud to be your teacher, man.
I never been genius without you.
Thank you so much for that. Okay, I need someone with number 10. My prince.
Okay.
Hi,
First
Paris.
we'll do 3 plus 4.
Okay, so let's add 3 plus 4. Yes.
Plus 4 equals 7.
7
And then 5 plus 2 equals 7.
equals
And the
7. Yes.
denominator is the same.
And the denominator is the same.
It's
It's very easy for you. Yeah. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, write this, guys. Hurry up, please. Ali Sahati, you're the next one.
What, teacher?
You're the next one, number 11. Get ready.
Okay. Number 11.
Don't mute yourself, man. Okay, let's go.
Teacher, just a minute.
Waiting.
Okay, finished.
Yes. So let's subtract.
Okay. Teacher, this is like the up.
What do you think?
Teacher.
What do you think?
Okay, teacher. 5 minus 2 equals 3.
Yes.
Then 7 minus 3 equals 4.
Yes.
Then the 8 put it the same.
Excellent. So
And
how can we simplify 4/8?
okay, teacher. What we will put now?
Firstly, we have to ask the big number 8. Are you in multiplication table of 4?
I don't think.
You have to think. Eight, not in multiplication table of 4?
No, it is. It is.
Yeah. So we're going to divide by 4. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So the answer will be 1/2. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. See you
You're
tomorrow,
welcome.
everyone. Don't forget to check your homework and think central. Bye.